Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin any application on your Windows 11 taskbar. So as you can see here, this is my taskbar, guys. And if I want to pin an application there, it's super easy to do. Now, if the application is not on my desktop, then you can easily go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, and you will see the start menu. Then click on all apps. This is going to show you all the applications on your PC, and you just have to find the application that you want to pin to your taskbar. So I'm going to choose, for example, I want to pin this discard app right here, or this Excel app. It doesn't matter. Right click on that app and you'll find more, and you just need to hover over that and you will see pin to taskbar. Click on that and it's going to pin it to taskbar. As I said, I was going to show you how to do the discard one as well. Right click, more, pin to taskbar. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to pin any application on your taskbar on Windows 11.